Well, I'm back in Green Park. It's Monday the 30th of September in London. It's Judgment Day. The Japanese embassy opens in about 20 minutes time. So I'm just chilling in the park, and then I'm going to find out if I get my visa. Well, I got my visa, panic over. Definitely worth the trip down to London. I've got a few hours to kick about at the moment, so I'm going to check out some of the sites in London. It'd be rude not to, and you're down in the capital. Then I'm going to make my way back up to Stafford.
It's going to rain today at some point, and that's not good for toilet paper. You all know that. Proudly made in Mexico. I love it. Thank you.
Okay, so 3 other things about applying for a Japanese visa and going down to the embassy in London. This first 2 are really important if you do not live in London, so listen up. First of all, make sure you're aware of when the public holidays, the bank holidays, those sorts of things are, because the embassy will be shut, and you want to make sure 100% that the embassy is open before you set off on your journey, because if you don't and you get there and it's shut, then you've wasted a lot of money and a lot of time for absolutely nothing. Second thing, for those of you living away from London, and for those of you in London, you will have to come back a second time after applying for the visa, but it's a bit different when you're going away because you've got all that extra added on travel. Now, make sure when you go back for that second time that you take with you the receipt that they gave you. I'll be honest with you, when I set off for the second time, I had a bit of a freak out in the morning because I couldn't find my passport anywhere. And the first time I'd went down, it had been a bit of a stressful, eventful day out, and I'd completely forgot that the embassy keeps hold of your passport, but gives you a receipt. Without that receipt, when you return to the embassy, you will not get your passport back. Third and final thing, make sure that you have £20 cash when you go to the embassy, because if you do get the visa, all you have to do is pay £20. That's how much their visa costs. But I must stress, it's cash only. They do not accept card. So I guess it's now time to talk about travel plans for Japan. I fly on Friday the 8th of November, which is just over a month away. And I first of all have about it's a 3-hour journey to Helsinki, get in late on Friday there, and then get this, a 17-hour wait in Helsinki. I have no idea what I'm going to do. The airport is about 40 minutes away from the actual city itself. It's going to be cold because it's November. I then have a 9-hour flight to Shanghai, and then from Shanghai, a couple of hours wait there, and then a 4-hour flight to Sapporo Shitsei. So I get into the country of my destination on Sunday the 10th at 2 in the afternoon, having left the UK on Friday the 8th. So that's quite a big deal of travelling, but I'm excited for it. Counting down now, and now just need to start working on the packing side of things. But yeah, it's all starting to happen, so really looking forward to it all now. In communication with some of my people that I'm working with and working for, but yeah, it's all good. So I hope you've appreciated today's little update on how everything's going. Do remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and yeah, catch you guys next time.